My name's Jake Peterson. I just graduated from college. I've had a long journey to get to where I am today, but I'm on the right track, thanks to K Squared. I struggled a lot with learning what to eat, knowing when to eat, but the hardest part probably out of all of it was just showing up to the gym and getting at it, or knowing what to do. Sometimes I'll just go to the gym and I'll just do bench press or arms, and that was it. So a lot of pain I would have is lower back problems because I was really heavy. I didn't really sleep well. I had a lot of issues with my motivation and just energy in general. I was always fatigued, but I've noticed a lot better, I guess, life choices I've been making, and working out has just made my life exponentially better too. I try like a lot of just random diet fads and I'd lose a lot of weight pretty quick, but then as soon as I started eating the normal foods again, I would gain that weight really quick. And I would just try look online or just see what bodybuilders were doing, but a lot of times those workouts are more designed for those people and not for what I needed in my general fitness goals. I heard it from a mutual friend when I was training at Lifetime Fitness, and I was introduced to Kevin. I was seeing him train other clients, and I saw what he was doing. And when my friend was like, "Hey, I'm leaving and doing my own thing," I wanted to work out with him because I saw the results his clients were getting and just how passionate he was about their fitness goals and helping them lose their weight as well. My main concern was what would happen like days he's gone or days I can't see him, because a lot of times I want to get out and work out, but if I don't have that trainer there or know what to do, I usually just don't work out at all, or I just do push-ups. But he lays out pretty easily. He's got his website. I've been using that for quite a while, and days I want to do 2 days and do extra cardio, or days where he's on vacation or I'm doing my thing or I can't work out. It's really easy to follow, and once you kind of get the handle of like the types of workouts, you kind of know what you're able to do and what you can't do, and then mold that workout more towards yourself. I wanted to get the results. I was tired of trying the next fad, get quick results in 20 days, and then fall off the wagon, and I'm instantly back at square one. But now I've been at this for almost, I think, 2 years, and I have noticed improvements in my general health, my life in general, and sometimes when I do fall off the wagon for like a week or two, I'm not starting back again at square one. I've been able to maintain my weight, and I've actually been changing my goals from weight loss to more strength training and gaining muscle mass instead. I think one of the benefits is the online community, and just even the in-person community too, or the community you can build with using it, because it's results driven, and a lot of people there who want to get the results are in it. So you're surrounded by a lot of like-minded people who want to get to the best version of themselves. Once too is just knowing what to do and like feeling better about yourself, and then maybe getting you out more of your comfort zone, trying things you normally wouldn't have tried. And then the last one is wanting you to learn more, because once you kind of start this fitness goal, you want to find out more things, because there's so many things you can do and so many ways you can min-max it, or once you reach certain points you could changing your diet to train for a special competition, or just knowing what to do so you don't have to think about it. It takes all the thinking out of it because you learn from experience and what to do. I feel like a completely new person. I feel like it's changed my life. I've went from almost 300 pounds to now about 240, and it's probably been one of the most life-changing experiences I've had, and I genuinely probably wouldn't be here if it wasn't for it. I'm generally surprised that I've actually done fitness competitions and got out of my comfort zone and actually attempted some CrossFit stuff. I was one of those people that never wanted to do anything related to CrossFit. I hated it. I always just wanted to lift heavy. But after doing it and stuff, I think it's a really good way to test your fitness. And even if you don't think you're going to do well or do really bad, it's still just to see where you are benchmarked to other people or other athletes like-minded to yourself as well. Get your fat ass off the couch and let's get at it. I think sometimes the hardest thing about working out is just showing up, and sometimes you might need a little helping hand, and I think K Squared is a great way to, if you're feeling intimidated or nervous, to get in there and try something new. It won't be easy, it'll be really hard, but the first step is just showing up. As soon as you get to the gym, everything else will fall into place, but just getting there is the hardest part. Get your fat ass off the couch and let's get at it. Download the app and get signed up today.